In today's video, I will be installing the BikeMaster heated hand grips on the Kawasaki KLR 650. Okay, let's turn the ignition on and see if we have power to the heated grips. It looks like we do have power. High, low. Now we wait. We wait to see if we have heat. Wow. They work. They feel really nice. Might be way too hot on high, but they're working. If you watch my other videos, you know I did this wire harness coming up to here for power for accessories. And what's nice is if I forget to shut off the accessories, including the hand grips, when I shut off the ignition, everything shuts down. Awesome. The only thing I got to do now is tidy up the wiring, zip tie it all in place, make sure nothing's binding when you turn the bars, and I'm done with this install. The only difficulty I had installing these was right here on the accelerator. You've seen I had to sand down that little lip on the accelerator plastic section that goes inside the grip. So once I got that sanded down, I was able to slide the grip over with the crazy glue that they give you in the package. It's going to be good on those chilly morning days. That's all I got. Links down below for the stuff that I use. Questions, comments, put them down. I'll get to them as soon as I can. You all, God bless. Be safe on the road.